The beautiful butterfly. Did you know that butterflies start as tiny eggs? These eggs hatch into caterpillars, which eat lots of yummy leaves to grow big and strong. After a while, the caterpillar forms a chrysalis around itself. Inside the chrysalis, it undergoes a magical transformation called metamorphosis. Finally, after some time, a beautiful butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. With its colorful wings, it flutters through the air, sipping nectar from flowers with its long, straw-like tongue. Butterflies are not only pretty to look at, but they also play an important role in pollinating flowers and helping plants grow. Next time you see a butterfly, remember the amazing journey it took to become the graceful creature it is today.